Start your day by waking up early, before distractions take over. Take a moment to breathe deeply, feel your body wake up, and drink a full glass of water. This small action instantly signals your body that it's time to be ready. Step outside for a few minutes of sunlight and gentle movement. Stretch, jog, or walk slowly. Let your body feel alive before the day begins. Fuel yourself with a breakfast that gives you energy, something rich in protein and healthy fats. While you eat, set your intentions. Write down one thing you're grateful for and one tiny goal for today. These moments of reflection shape your mindset and makes you focused. Move your body in some way. Even 10 minutes of stretching, yoga, or a slow walk releases energy and clears your mind. Then tackle your most important task first while your focus is at its peak. Work with full attention, block out distractions, and see how much you can accomplish in a focused burst. Throughout the day, pause to reset. Step outside, take deep breaths, or connect with someone you care about. These small breaks recharge your energy, remind you of what matters, and boost your mood. Balance work with learning. Read a chapter, watch something educational, or try a creative activity like writing, drawing, or playing music. These little sparks of curiosity expand your mind and keep growth exciting. For your evening, eat a nourishing meal, rich in protein and vegetables to restore your body. Reduce screen time before bed and reflect quietly on your day. Note what you accomplished, what you learned, and what you want to improve tomorrow. This reflection reinforces progress and builds confidence over time. End your day with gentle stretches or a few minutes of deep breathing to calm your body and mind. Go to bed at a consistent time to let your body fully recharge. By repeating this routine daily, you are slowly building focus, energy, and clarity. Small, consistent actions like these aren't dramatic, they're simple, but over time, they transform your life, one habit at a time.